Hello everyone, Andy here. Let's have a look at the NIKKEI futures for Tuesday, October 31st. For the record, today is Monday, October 30th. Time is around 6 p.m. GMT. So, in the higher time frame, nothing has changed. I believe we are still working on this wave Z here, as I explained in my weekend analysis. The only question is how exactly will we get there? Will we follow this WXY pattern as indicated in red, or will we have the A, B, C as shown in green? So therefore, let's go to the 1 hour time frame. And so in my weekend analysis, I told you it looks like we have a complete structure right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down. Looks like a complete wave A. But here we went up then and kind of took out this low quite fast. And so then this would be our wave B right here. But this wave B is way too shallow in my opinion. Normally the target area for this wave B is this area here. So then we find this area by taking the length of wave A, and then we know that the wave B should go into the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. So I believe there is still a possibility to do this move, but then we would have a trap right here, and I would call for an expanded flat then. Like if we keep this low, then I believe there's a high probability we have an expanded flat, and what we should do then is having a good push up here, an impulse as a wave C towards this wave B area. So then it would actually look like this. Then this here would be the wave A, this the wave B, and now an impulse will follow as a wave C. So let me put this in the right degree. So this is what we should get then, expanded flat structure right here. So wave A finished here. We are doing this wave B as an expanded flat. So wave A up as an impulse, then wave B corrective structure in 3, 1, 2, 3. This is our wave B then. And then now what we should see is a wave C to the upside as an impulse into the wave B area. And then from here, we can come down again as a wave C, taking out this low right here. So that's a possibility. Another possibility is that we are doing this WXY structure as indicated in red. And that would mean that the wave W and the wave X are in right here, and that we are now working on the wave Y here indicated in red, and that we already have an A down, then this was our B up. And so let me check if we reached our wave B area. Yeah, we did. So the wave B area would be this area, the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. So here we follow the guidelines, and then from here we should have a wave C down, and then this can be the wave 1, 2, and then if this low does not hold, then 3, 4, 5 into this area. Then this here would be our target. If we take here the length of the wave W, the length of the wave X, then here our target area, no, I made a mistake, I'm sorry, I mean the wave C target area I calculated this wave C area during my weekend analysis. So if we take the length of the wave A, the length of the wave B, then wave C should end here into the area between the 1 and the 1.618 fib extension. So this is what I see. Basically, main expectation is still to take out the low. However, there is some variation in the way we could do this. Like this could be a trap, an expanded flat structure, and then we will see an impulse from here and then coming down again from here to take out the low, or we just are now doing this final push down. Then we have here an A, B, C structure as indicated in red. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.